Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? Welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So today's question is, what is the purpose of .git ignore file? Option one, to specify which files should not be committed to the repository. Two, to prevent specific files from being deleted in the working directories. To store ignored commits. To list all the branches to be ignored. So answer is one, to specify which files should not be committed to the repository. So let's see a couple of examples. Okay, so here I have added one test log file and I will modify this readme file. Okay, so I've modified this file. Now, if I do git status, it shows that modified readme and test log is untracked files. Okay, so if I do git add start and again status, so these two are ready for commit, changes to be committed, these two. But I don't want this log to be committed when I do git add start. Okay, let me remove this from the staging area. So how do I remove from the staging area? I did git add star. What is the command should I use? Yes, I should use git reset. Okay. Okay. Now I remove them from the staging area. Now when I do git add star next time, I don't want this file to be included, so it should be ignored. Let's put one more directory build. Okay, build is already there. Some test folder, and that test folder, let's have some file called some file.txt. So all these are like, let's say, redundant files, and these are like build artifacts, logs, etc. I don't want to put them in the Git. I don't want them to be version controlled. It should be ignored. Uh, so what I should do now here, create a .git ignore file, and in the .git ignore file, specify which file should not be committed to the repo. So .git ignore. I can mention start.log, and I can also mention this test folder. So test folder, it has to be by slash build slash. So I will go here. I will mention this. Okay. Now let's see what is the git status. Readme and git ignore, but it's not showing whatever things should be there. So those things are getting ignored. Now if I do git add star, so earlier it was showing a test log, and I created a test hyphen f. That is also not shown. If I do git add star, I can see that these following paths are ignored by one of your .git ignore files, test log and test hyphen f. So these are, we are ignoring it. So that's the purpose of git ignore. A git ignore file used in git to list files and directories that should be ignored by git. These files are typically temporary files, build artifacts, log files, and other files that are not part of the project source code. So these are temporary files, log files, build artifacts, not part of the source code and should not be committed to repository. Okay. And this is how you should include. So that's it. And please like the video, share the video, and follow my WhatsApp channel there in the comments. And also follow my LinkedIn page. I post interview questions and this kind of questions MCQ daily. So please check that out.